I want to give you some technical tips today for giving presentations when technology is involved. If you're giving a presentation live and you're using a laptop, a computer, a video camera, my advice, get to the room early. Restart your computers. All sorts of things can pop up, websites can pop up, things can be pushed, Facebook apps, all that. You want to restart the computer and then pull up just what you plan on using. So if you're using PowerPoint, pull up just the PowerPoint. Don't even have a browser open. If you're using cameras, you've got to test everything. You've got to test every single connection. If you are doing a presentation through Skype video, don't wait until 60 seconds before the call is supposed to start to try it. Unfortunately, I've done this the wrong way myself, and it's embarrassing having to start a Skype meeting 10 minutes late because you had to do a complete restart. For whatever reason, I often have to restart my computer if I'm doing a Skype video conference. So technology can be your best friend. It can be a great ally in presentations, but if you wait to the last second and then you get in that panic mode and then you're trying to restart things and learn things when people are already waiting for you, it's going to increase tension levels and make a bad impression. So give yourself plenty of time. Even if you think everything is perfect, get ready, get to the room, give yourself 15 minutes in advance, do a restart, do a test, and get everything right from the beginning. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively to the media and to live audiences. If you want any help with your upcoming presentations, go to my website, mediatrainingworldwide.com, and get some of my books for free. You can also learn about upcoming workshops, seminars, and live online trainings.